Residency in the United Arab Emirates, by business incorporation. Since the United Arab Emirates impose no taxes either on individuals or illegal persons, residency in the UAE is chosen not so much as a way to move around freely or to physically relocate, but rather for its advantageous tax climate. The easiest way to obtain UAE residency is by company incorporation in the Emirates and a license to do business in the UAE. Advantages of UAE residency. Tax residency. The UAE is a tax haven. It imposes no taxes on tax residents and businesses. Residency for your whole family. Residency is issued for 3 years right off. Together with the main applicant, residency is extended also to family members, the applicant's spouse and children under 18. No requirements to live there. UAE residency does not oblige you to permanently stay in the Emirates, nor do you have to conduct company business. The ability to open bank accounts and buy real estate. Holders of UAE residency can buy real estate in Dubai and other cities, as well as confidentially open bank accounts in reliable global banks. UAE residency through registering a company is the easiest and most widely accessible form of residency. Conditions for receiving UAE residency. Residency in the UAE can be obtained on the basis of having a business in the UAE, i.e., a company registered in the UAE in the name of the applicants and having a license to do business inside the UAE. These licenses exist in 3 categories. 1. Commercial, 2. Services, 3. General trading. The most widespread license category for a legal entity for those who want to obtain UAE residency is general trading, as only this license is set up to offer residency to company owners in a number up to 3 persons. Often people wanting to obtain UAE residency are guided only by this criterion, and they don't think about the activity that their registered legal entity will actually carry out. Making the right choice of license for the registered legal entity, so that you can ensure you keep your residency and can do business without problems, should be your first concern with registering a company. Costs to register a company in order to obtain UAE residency. Commercial license, for up to 3 kinds of goods. Extensions starting from year 2 €8,450. Cost of registration, virtual office, obtaining a license, administrative services, €9,950. Fee for residency visa, medical certificate, Emirates ID, €5,500. Professional consultant services, €5,000. Up to 2 visas for company owners are permitted. Total, €20,450. Consulting, services, license, up to 2 kinds of services, extensions starting from year 2 €8,450. Cost of registration, virtual office, obtaining a license, administrative services, €9,950. Fee for residency visa, medical certificate, Emirates ID, €5,500. Professional consultant services, €5,000. Up to 2 visas for company owners are permitted. Total, €20,450. General trading license, unlimited number of kinds of goods, extensions starting from year 2 €10,450. Cost of registration, virtual office, obtaining a license, administrative services, €11,950. Fee for residency visa, medical certificate, Emirates ID, €5,500. Professional consultant services, €5,000. Up to 2 visas for company owners are permitted. Total, €22,450. Documents you'll need. A copy of your passport, which must be valid for at least 6 more months from the time you submit your documents for a visa, a copy of previous UAE visas, if any, a utility bill no older than 6 months, a passport photo with a white background. The full names of your parents, your address in your country of residence, your address in UAE, if any, your contact details, email and telephone number, a resume setting out your experience, only for services/consulting license. Who can obtain UAE resident status? The main applicants must be over the age of 18. The spouse and underage children of the main applicants. Steps in registering a company and obtaining resident status. The client provides all necessary documents and details. Our experts prepare the registration forms for the client to sign. The client signs the registration forms and sends them to us by courier so that we can submit a set of documents for registering the company. The company is registered, takes up to 3 days. The client submits the documents for obtaining an immigration card and visa, entry permit. A decision is awaited on obtaining an immigration card and visa, entry permit, which takes 15 to 20 days. The client receives a copy of the visa, while the UAE border officials at the arrival airport receive the original of the client's visa. Arrival in the UAE 2. Have the visa inserted into your passport. Undergo a medical examination in order to receive a certificate of health. Submit documents for the Emirates ID. Note: the entry permit is valid only for 60 days from issue, and to receive UAE residency you must travel to the UAE while the entry permit is still valid. For your visit to the UAE, you must schedule at least 5 working days. To retain your residency, you must visit the UAE at least once every 180 days. Residency is issued for 3 years right off. To retain your resident status, your company's registration must be renewed on an annual basis. Are you interested in UAE residence permit?